everyone, I'm Layla again from DS1.8. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how to use statistics module in Python. So, ano nga ba yung statistic modules? Statistic module in Python is a built-in module that provides functions for calculating mathematical statistics of numeric data. It offers a range of functions for computing descriptive statistics, including measures of central tendency, dispersion, and more. So, ang statistic module daw provides a function for calculating descriptive statistics, like mean, median, mode, and also the standard deviation and variances. This module can help you na mapabilis yung pagko-compute ng data. You can use this para ma-compute yung kanilang mean, median, and such. So, let's start. Let's type first. Import. Start is import statistics. As ST. Para hindi mo na ita-type na yung buong statistics. You can type na lang shortcut form ng ano gusto nyo and so ST let's muna lagay tayo ng data, for example my list is equal to kunyari ito yung data niya. Kunyari yung data na to is score ng students. Okay, score na lang. Scores ng mga students sa kanilang final exam na over 50. Okay, ayun na. Kunyari, dami to. So, yan. Diba? So, 37. And then there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gagawa pa natin ang dalawa para 15 siya. 42. Yan. If ko din ang mean na most scores, can type this. Yan. So, ang mean ng scores na students is 2.53. 42 point. So, ang scores sa mga students is 42.53. Then, if kukunin mo yung median ng scores, you'll get 42. So, yun na pala yung gitna. And the mold. Okay, so for now, kuhain naman natin yung ST na scores ng students sa kanilang finals. ST. Hanapin mo lang dyan yung standard deviation ng scores. Yan. Standard deviation of given data set is approximately 4.50. Then, kaya naman natin yung variance. Ayan yung variance ng ating data sets na scores. So, ayan, it helps talaga na makuha yung need natin sa isang data. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from today. Sana may natutunan kayo about statistic modules na pwede nyo gamitin to cheat. Charot. Para mabilis nyo makuha yung mean median mo. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-excel pa, like i-input there. Pero, it's, din naman, convenient. But, yeah, you can use this para mahanap yung standard deviation, variance, and stops. Meron pa din ditong ibang gamit. Like correlation and something. So, ayan. I hope you learned something. Bye!